Hello and greetings to everyone gathered at this 5th Academic Brand Awards 2020 organized by EET CRS Education Expo. I am Dr. Sandeepta Burgula from the Department of Microbiology at Usmania University, Hyderabad. I am a former ASM Indo US Visiting Research Professor and UGC sponsored Raman Postdoctoral Fellow, and I am also an Associate Fellow of the Telangana Academy of Sciences. I have published more than 19 research articles and 2 book chapters until now. Um, Coming to my research activities, I have a strong zeal for research in the area of molecular pathogenesis, and I have headed 2 independent major research projects till now, sponsored by UGC and SERB, and 3 minor research projects. I am guiding more than 8 PhD students presently, and my main scientific endeavor is to discover or invent a novel molecule targeting sepsis and probably cancer. I am presently working on 2 areas. One is devising a nanoprobe assay to rapidly detect sepsis, and the second one is to synthesize selenium based nanoparticle drug to restore RKIP proteins in cancer. My key projects are again, as I mentioned, are again in 2 areas, that is understanding the role of an acute phase marker protein called haptoglobin in the pathology of bacterial sepsis. We have extensively characterized its role in ex vivo sepsis model, which is human blood, and we are in process of dissecting its role in predicting host survivability in terms of haptoglobin levels. I have recently received a new grant under OU DST PERS for designing a nanoprobe assay for detection of haptoglobin, which will be a cost-effective rapid diagnostic test to detect sepsis in patients. And the second project focuses on synthesis of high potency selenium nanoparticles using bio-waste management and by microbial synthesis. Our nanoparticles synthesized have been shown to have excellent anti-angiogenic and anti-proliferative activity, and we have published both our areas of work in high quality journals. Presently, our roadblock in our work is getting a proper animal model and funding for the same. So I am open for collaborations. As a researcher, I will therefore like to welcome anyone working on innate immune response, working on bacterial sepsis. And my second project, as I have mentioned, requires animal model. So if anyone can help us with this, I am willing to collaborate and communicate a collaborative project. I have completed both my major projects, and hence I'm also looking for some funding to work on our next goals. And the next goals, that is my future projects, include studying the role of haptoglobin in innate immune response, that is particularly inflammasome response, which is a fairly new area, and a part of which I have completed at St. Jude's Hospital as a ASM Indo US visiting research professor. And the second one is again studying the role of plant extract loaded selenium nanoparticles on restoration of PBP or RKIP levels in an in vivo model. So these 2 projects are central to my research goals in the coming 5 years. And now coming to my message for all the emerging researchers and academicians, I would like to say only one thing, that you must always keep up with the latest research, and if it is your passion, then you should never give up and keep pursuing your goals. And of course, challenges in research are omnipresent anywhere in the world, and they must be used as an advantage to progress further in terms of experience and knowledge. My message again to the 5th Academic Brand Awards is that I thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity to speak to all of you, and also participate along with other researchers in this event. And I hope to meet all of you again in future and share my experiences with you, and probably in future hopefully we can also collaborate in case our work areas intersect. Thanks a lot and have a nice day.